Hello there everybody, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video I'm going to show you how to log out of your Telegram. So it's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged out of your Telegram in no time. So first thing first, let's tap into the app itself and let's look for the setting option, which is usually at the bottom right corner. Let's tap in here, let's go to edit. And now what you got to do is go all the way down, scroll all the way down, and you can see log out option. So this is it. All you got to do is tap in that log out option and again hit that log out option. It is asking you this will cancel all the secret chats. You need Telegram on all the devices at once and use several accounts in the same app. Let's tap OK and you are logged out of your Telegram. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and also please do not hesitate to comment in the comment section down below if you have any queries regarding this video, or if you want more videos like this. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.